Hello viewers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share a story about courage, resilience, and the power of small steps. Have you ever faced a goal that seemed impossible? Something that felt like a mountain you could never climb? Well, this story is about a young woman named Amara, who dared to take on the tallest mountain in her land. But as she soon finds out, reaching the peak isn't just about strength, it's about patience, discipline, and moving forward one step at a time. Let's dive in and see how Amara's journey unfolds, and discover the powerful lesson her climb has for all of us. Ready? Let's get started. In a quiet village nestled between towering mountains, Amara, a young woman with a heart as bold as her dreams. She wanted to achieve what no one else in her village dared to try, to stand at the summit of the tallest mountain, where only the skies touched the earth. The villagers admired her ambition but warned her of the perils that lay ahead. Many had attempted the climb, but none had returned victorious. With a spark of determination, Amara set off on her journey. At first, every step was filled with excitement. She watched her village grow smaller, the world below her expanding with every foot she climbed. But soon, the path became steep and the air grew thin and icy. Sharp rocks scraped her hands, unforgiving winds pushed her back, and bitter cold numbed her bones. At times, her heart whispered, "Turn back." But each time, she silenced her doubts, focused on the next step, and climbed on. One harsh morning, exhausted and close to giving up, Amara met an older climber descending the mountain. His face bore the lines of years spent battling this rugged terrain. With a gentle but knowing look, he said, "Amara, the summit is closer than you imagine. Keep your gaze steady and take each step with purpose. In the end, it's not just strength that leads you up, it's the discipline to keep moving, one small step at a time." Taking his words to heart, Amara pressed on. She no longer focused on the distant peak, but instead set her eyes on the next rock, the next ledge, the next patch of snow. She learned to celebrate every inch she gained, finding beauty even in the struggle. With each step, she grew stronger, more resilient, her spirit deepening with each challenge. And finally, after many grueling days, Amara reached the summit. She looked out at the world stretched beneath her and felt a powerful sense of triumph, not just because she had conquered the mountain, but because she had conquered her own doubts and fears. In that moment, Amara understood that true achievement wasn't just in reaching the peak, but in every small, determined step that had carried her there. And that's the story of Amara and her incredible climb to the summit. Her journey reminds us that sometimes, the most powerful achievements aren't about grand leaps but about steady, determined steps. Every challenge she faced was a chance to grow stronger, and every step brought her closer to her dream. If this story inspired you, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with someone who needs a little motivation, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more stories like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, no matter how big your goals may seem, just keep moving forward, one step at a time. See you in the next story video.